any new thing. Okay, so I am just I didn't check the time also. Not only time, that is like I feel it is useful for you, because anyway Pandu asked for just yesterday comments only, but I think okay, um, no, not like this. Put a Linux CMDs. So the next one is like, when we are going to see other commands also, which is we discussed earlier, like about a sort command, cut command, grep, okay, grep, t, also if you want, I will show you the t command also, page command, tr. So we'll remove this grep here, because grep is also very important. That's why grep is very important. Ch mod we discussed yesterday. Okay. Um, so what are the commands are there? This 8th, 9th, yesterday is 9th, right? So tr command, sort command, get command, cut command, okay, history, IO redirections, IO redirection, input redirection, output redirections, kind of stuff. So these also we discussed, right? Input like this to this one. This is error redirection. This is both output and as well as a error redirection, input redirection. Okay, this also we discussed it. Okay, um, now VA editor. Also we discussed about a VA editor. Okay, nano editor, gedit. Okay, this is gedit is a genome editor, a GUI based editor. Nano is also text based text editor, basic text editor. VI compulsory learning editor. Nano is by you can look at it and you can able to manage. That's why it is specifically we concentrate on VI editor. Now also we'll go to VI editor again. Okay, now we'll go to options in the VI editor. Okay, find commands. We discussed about a find command also. Okay, at the before this one. So for explaining IO redirections, we use a find command is better way. Of course, find is also important. Find and as well as locate. Some people search for an alternative for find. They find like this. Okay, so that is a thing. Ch mod is also we discussed it. Okay, and umask, ch mod and umask finally discuss. Once again, we'll see once go through the starting ln command we discussed. Okay, and grep command we discussed. I think redirections. Yeah, grep command we discussed. Okay, text editors, nano, va, gedit, three things we discussed. Find command we discussed. SSH connection, how to check the SSH connections, IP addresses, putty configuration, guys, that is also very important one. Putty, what is putty? Okay, putty is a small application. Okay, putty is small application to connect remote machines with a different set of protocols, SSH, telnet type of protocols. Okay, so a Linux machine easily we can able to access with a SSH one. Sort, cut, paste, translate, tr command. Okay, and piping, std. One example I told, std, lot of users are there. Std, there is a few beautiful commands are there. History, IO redirection, IO redirection. I told one command, just try this one also. Okay, ch mod command also we discuss it. So these are all in a part 2. I will repeat. Okay, again, just like today, I will try to, if I have a time, so then I will try to repeat all these commands. Means what is a command, what is syntax, example. Just like morning, what we do. So like that. In a part two, I'm going to repeat it. So this is the entirely part one, and this is the part two, and also we'll add a part three kind of stuff also. Okay. So, but problem is, what is the problem? Still, we need to go to the new things. Otherwise, other things won't complete it. Okay. So what I will do, so in afternoon, I will take another half an hour or 1 hour for repeat the yesterday class also. Okay. But no, today we'll go to editor. So this is won't be repeated again. Okay. Maybe if you want, I will do it. So VA editor is a text-based text editor. It is a text editor. So yes, can you able to hear? Muted, not muted. Okay, and shared and recorded. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good.
Sir.
Okay, so we'll start with the VA editor and we'll see. Guys, when it is come to the VA editor, it is quite easy. Already we done a VA editor, right? VA, just a file name. Once it is open, when you're given like this for editing purpose, like you open it, so then you have to press I. So then basically it opens in the command mode. Command mode means you will give the commands here. Command mode means you will give commands here. There's a three modes are there: command mode, insert mode, visual mode. I'm only telling only two modes only. Okay. If you press A means you'll go to insert mode. So where insert mode? Why insert mode? For a mainly editing purpose only. Editing purpose only. Okay. Now once your edit completed, once edit done, what to do? Go back to, once you are done, so go back to command mode. So how to go to command mode? Again, press
Escape.
okay, press escape to go back to command mode. Go back to command mode. Next. Next, completed. Editing completed, commands, everything is completed. Now I want to exit. It is like a save and exit. Exit means also you can say quit. Okay. Uh, yeah, I got Lena 2 years or 3 years back. I think this is the one question that people are keep asking. What is the difference between exit and quit? It's a funny question. Okay, I'm not going to that one. Just you can try yourself. What is exit? What is quit? How to tell an answer for that one. Satisfy the interviewer with your answer. Okay, how to save and exit. Now, first of all, press colon, then type W and save and exit, right? So Q. So W means save, write. Q means pitch or exit. Okay, right. So this is the thing you have to follow. So this is the first thing I told, and I said up to here, keep it. But there is a lot of options. You will get it in a VA editor. So VA editor is a very beautiful thing. And if I told all the options in a one single shot, and you don't touch VA editor again in your lifetime, okay? So that is the problem with your VA editor. root. Guys, lot of comments. Almost all what are the commands we done up to now, you can run on a root as well as a normal user also. Okay, normal user also. Already login, so I'm trying to access with my putty. So yesterday I saved this session. So click load. Okay, appearance is 18 points. Colors. Okay, foreground, background colors also there. So modify. Yeah, it's a black color. Bold foreground black. Next is background is white. Okay, good. I have to confirm the IP address, still same IP address or not. Yeah. Paperless loan. Okay. Yeah, I have a that is there. Okay, so then my IP address is confirmed. Open. Sometimes because of network changes and we got IP address through DHCP server, right? So obviously you may get a. So this is a root. I do these things with non-root accounts, means like a student accounts only enough. Load. So I choose my appearance little bigger, 20. I have a student 13A. The password is also same, student 13A. So this is the login. So who, both root and student 13 both are login. Okay. Yeah, here it is a VA editor, guys. So first of all, know your files. Know your files. So here it is, lot of files are there. I need a normal file. So I need a normal file. So I will create a file. Otherwise, you can create a file yourself. Yeah, file one is there. It is a file one. Okay. VI file one. Now it is open. And this file does not it contains only 2 lines. This file contains only 2 lines. Okay. You can edit, like how to edit. First one, press I, insert mode, then go to down like this. I went down. I'm adding in a bottom. Okay, so this is VA editor. New lines can add it with cat, but cannot edit it with cat. Okay. Use editor. Hmm. Use editors to edit files. Okay, so editing is completed. What to do, guys? Now editing is completed. I still am in insert mode. What to do?
Escape.
Very good. One second. I want to edit in the top lines also. I can edit or add line on top. Also, see, escape. Very good. Next,
colon W
colon
colon
WQ.
WQ.
yeah, you learn already VA editor. Now, in my file, I have a multiple lines are there. How many lines are there? 7 lines are there. Okay, totally 7 lines are there. I want to go to third line. I want to edit third line only. I want to edit third line only. VI plus 3 file 1. Okay, so look at my cursor where it is goes. Where it is in the where the cursor in the third line only.
And the
Cursor is in
thumbnail.
a third line only. Okay, now I'm shifting it, but by default the cursor is in a third line only. If you want, I will show you. For example, if I want to go to fifth line plus 5, see where is my cursor? Here is my cursor, fifth line, and you can see here it is also 5 1. This is represent line number. This is the word or character number. It is total lines, 7 lines. Character by character it is changing. Sixth line. Okay, so it is in a fifth line directly. I'm going. Guys, what is the use of this? Think you have a 200 lines are there. You want to go to something a 50 line or 150 line, maybe a 120 line or 127th line. It's very difficult, right? So you have to go to this line, this line, this line. Like it is very difficult to go. But what is the advantage of VI? You can directly go to which line you want it. You can directly go to which line you want it. I open normally like this. Guys, where is my cursor? Currently, it is in my fourth line. My cursor is at fourth line. Cursor is at fourth line. Okay, so keep your one finger near to the escape button because escape is like a fit from the whatever the mode you are there to the command mode only. So I'm in the command mode. My cursor is at fourth line. I'm pressing G small g 2 times. Small g 2 times. Where cursor went? Where cursor went?
Starting.
Starting. Start of the file. I'm pressing capital G only. I'm pressing capital G.
End up.
End of the file. So these are the VI editor options. Look at here. The first thing is I use VI plus 3 file 1. It means cursor go to third line when open. Okay, so that is it. Next. So next VI file 1 for whatever it is. Okay. We open it and then we started comments. GG means cursor to go to cursor go to top of file or start of the file. Starting capital G, one capital G only. The cursor go to end of end line. Go to end line of file. Okay, end line starting only it will go. Okay, so that is one thing. GG capital G. So your cursor is somewhere. You put a press capital G. You want to edit something like a first line, or you want to go to last line. Okay, just a cursor movement only. It is a just a cursor movement only. Okay, so that is GG and capital G. Guys, this is a insert options. Normally, insert options. Okay, insert options are like this. I for insert. right? You know, I for a insert. But what are the other options are there? We look at. So I am in this location. Look at I'm in A, D, D, E, D. Is okay. My cursor is at E. My cursor is at E. I press I. I press I. Small I. I'm in an insert mode. And I'm typing. I'm start typing. Where it is typing? In front of E. Okay. So in front of E. Because of my cursor is at E, it is going, right? So that is a I kind of stuff. So what happen if I press capital I? Okay. Capital I. Sorry. Escape. Press escape. Then you are in command mode. Capital I. The cursor went to start of the line. See, cursor went to start of the line. I am in a insert mode, like you can see. Start of the line. Cursor went to start of the line. These are insert options only. Next one, I want to say A. See A, small a, small a. So escape, press small a. See, cursor is shifted. See, my cursor is at E and I press A. Cursor is shifted to D. I'm typing same only, but cursor is shifted to next character. Okay? Same as I, but cursor shifted to next character. Okay? So typing is same always. Cursor shifted to next means next only. Okay, not previous one. Now it is. I'm going to capital A. Okay, capital A. So cursor is at here. Escape. Capital A. Where the cursor went? Again.
End of this.
Escape. Capital A. It is insert mode, and cursor went to end of the line. Cursor went to end of the line. Actually, I draw on the paintbrush, so with a pictorial representation in generally, but it's okay. No problem. So small a, both are insert mode. Capital I, capital A, both are insert mode, but capital I, start of the line, capital A, end of the line. Small a is same as I, but it go to cursor is next. Okay, not at E, it started with D. Okay, so that is thing. So this is one. Next, O, small o. What happens? Look at here. My cursor is at this line. My cursor at this line. Fifth line, my cursor is there. I'm pressing small o. So I went to insert mode and cursor went to next line. It is creating new line here. See, it's creating new line here. It is creating new line next. It create new line next to the cursor line. Next to the cursor line. Capital O. Okay. This is my line. Okay. So escape. So try to press the capital O. Shift O. What happened? Line is created above the cursor line. Okay. Above the cursor line. Line is created above the cursor line. New line created above the cursor line. it is new line created. Next are bottom, above, below, below, above, below. Okay. So these are a insert mode. I, small a, capital I, capital A, small o, capital O, small gg, capital G. Okay. So these are just a cursor movement one, but this is insert mode kind of stuff. Okay. Guys, a lot of things are there. I didn't open a PPT since morning. Very good. Why it is not there? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't get mad. Okay. So there are a lot of options still there. So that's why I'm waiting and I'm getting pain. Guys, X and a capital X. Okay. So X means like how it is works. We'll see. I'm in escape mode. I'm in escape mode. Small x I'm pressing. Small x. What is happening? Next to the cursor, data is deleting. See, like this. Keep deleting. I'm getting back, so don't worry. Okay. So how to get it back? If you done any mistake, U means undo. There is no redo, only undo is there. Okay. X means like a del button. So you can see, I press the delete button. It is doing same job only. Okay. It is like a delete button. Okay. It's like a delete button. So first of all, I delete next to the cursor text. Okay. Next, capital X. What is capital X? Escape. Press capital X. See what is it is doing? Capital X is deleting what are these in the front of data. Okay. Same I will show you again. Backspace won't work here. Insert and backspace like this. Okay. It is like a backspace. Everything is a command only. Okay. It is like a backspace, but compulsory you have to be in an insert mode, then only it will work, otherwise it will move only. Okay. So delete whatever the thing in before cursor. Okay. So this is next R, small r. For example, can is there. I'm pressing small r, escape, small r, and I put a E. See, it is replaced that time. Okay, see, it is replaced. If you want to see again, add is there, ADD is there now. So I put a ABB here, BB. Okay, so this is smaller B, B. No, it is not. Again, it go to this one. You have to go to each and everything, and you have to change it. So R I like this. Okay. So one character you can able to change it. So translate. I want to change I to E to I. Press R, I. See, I. Okay. You want to replace it again? Press R. I press it 2 times. Okay. Now press R, E again. Okay. You try anything. So you cannot kin it like cannot. See, I will remove A and I'll put a O. Go to the, take the cursor A, press small r, small o. Okay. So this is how to replace. Undo. Okay. So what I said, small r. So it is replace character at cursor. One more R is there, that is called a capital R. Okay, so I will go to this I and I'm pressing capital R. Now you can see the bottom replace. Replace is also showing. Now I'm typing line is so W like this. I'm typing something. See, so okay. It is means you start replacing entire text. Replace the entire from cursor. Able to replace entire text. Able to replace entire text. Okay. Anyway, we are in the replacing and deleting kind of stuff. I will tell few more comments. Escape. DD. What happened? What happened? I press DD. Delete. Cursor line. Delete the cursor line. For example, I want to delete this line and this line. 2 lines I want to delete it. So take the cursor in the line and number 2 DD. Now 2 lines are deleted. You can see 2 lines are deleted. Number 2 DD means delete cursor line and next line also 2 lines. If I want to delete 3 lines, for example, I want to delete this line, this line, this line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You want to delete it. So 3 DD. Let's understand 3 DD.
Yes, sir.
Explain once again, sir.
Okay. Tell me which line you want to delete out of all this thing. Line number at least. I want to delete this line. One single line. How to delete? DD.
DD, sir.
In case the confusion is second one only. If I want to delete this line 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 lines I want to delete. This line, this next line, next line, next line. 4 lines I want to delete from the cursor line to next lines, like totally 4 lines. 4 lines means
4
number
DD.
4
DD.
DD. Okay, 4 pure lines. You
DD.
can see also in the bottom. Okay, I'm pressing U again. Okay, so this is 4 lines I delete. Next is DW. It will delete words. So we'll see that one. I'm going to lines. Okay, DW. It deleted that word. Okay, it deleted that word, but it is deleted differently. See, cursor to the end of the part. You can see DW. Cursor and to the end of the word. Also, it is deleted. Or see, you can see DW. the entire word is deleted. Okay, DW, delete word, it deletes word. Okay, or cursor to end of the word only. Okay, so for example, you want to delete more words, like I want to delete this one and second one also. Okay, 2DW, 2DW. Look at here, number 2 DW. So you have to press number 2 DW. Okay, so what is a number 2 DW? Means delete 2 words. So one is cursor word and the next word also it will delete. You want to delete 3 words. You want to delete 3 words. For example, cannot, edited, with 3 words. I want to delete it. How to do it? Tell me. 3 DW. 3 DW. Okay, like this. Delete. Three words. Okay. So last one, the deleting words kind of stuff, in that one only. So I'm not typing in it. Okay. So here is my cursor. I put a D dollar. What happened? The cursor to the end of the line. It deletes cursor to the end of the line. So if you put a cursor here at ADD, I put a my cursor at E and I put a D dollar. D dollar. It means from cursor to the end of the line, it deletes. From cursor to the end of the line, it deletes. End of the line. Okay. So this is your deletings. Backspaces, undo, backspace, delete, deleting the lines, deleting the characters. Delete means it's a delete character. One character. Like a delete button. Like a delete button, delete characters next to the cursor or a text, whatever it is you can use. Okay, it is like a backspace. Before cursor, it will delete. DD, deleting the lines. DW, delete the words. D dollar, delete from the cursor to end of the line. Smaller, replace the character. Capital, replace entire text from the cursor. Okay. Anything left or A, B, C, D, I, F, G, H, D, D. Copy paste is also there. So we'll go to copy paste. Yes, I want to copy this line. This is VA editor. I want to copy. Okay. So to copy, first take your cursor to the line, start of the line or middle of the line. So it copy entire line. Okay. So better is always start of the line. Okay. So escape, take the cursor into your line, press YY. Press YY 2 times. Okay, YY. And take the cursor where you want it. I am take the cursor to here and P. I pasted next to the line. Okay, so where the cursor is located, in the next line it is paste. So YY for copy. YY to copy. Y to copy. YY to copy. Okay, YY to copy. To copy the line. Which line you will copy? Cursor line only. Lines, cursor line. Then P2 paste. Which paste it is? Next to cursor line, it paste. So remember that. Guys, if in case I want to copy two lines, I want to copy, I do undo. I want to copy two lines. See, I want to copy. This is VA editor. New line can add it with cat. Okay, these two lines I want to copy. So we'll go to the first line. This line I want to copy, right? So this line YY and go to this one. So why it is only copying only one? Because I press Y one time, YY only. You want to copy a two lines, two YY, two YY. Then I am going to press P here. See, two lines are pasted. I am going to bottom P. I'm going bottom again. See, two lines are copying. So compulsory, guys, you have to go to bottom, and then you will get it. Okay. Otherwise, what happens? See, this is a two lines I'm copying, right? Two lines I'm copying, two YY. I went to the bottom of the file, press P. Again, go down. Again, go down, press P. If you don't go down and you keep pressing P only, what will happen? Like this text will be pasted like this. Okay, so that is the thing. So be careful when you are doing it. So how to copy three lines? 1, 2, 3. I want to copy. This is the file. Try to translate. This is the VA editor. Three lines I want to copy. So number 3, YY. It is yanked. Y means yanked actually. And where you want to paste? I want to paste here. After new lines can added this line. After this line, I want to paste. Okay. So this is your Y2 copy. Yank. Y means yank. P2 paste. So you want to copy two lines, two YY. Copy two lines. Two lines means cursor line and next line. Cursor line and next line. Okay. So only once we put a paste. P once only. P is paste once. Press P to paste once. Okay. Paste once. So you want to paste twice. Okay. Paste two times. What you need? P, T, like this. Again P, like this. Whenever you want a paste, you have to press P. Copying lines. Every time you press a P, you will get a paste. So whenever you want to P. So once copy, multiple time paste. Okay. Three lines copy. Copy, three lines. So this is a copying kind of stuff. Last time one guy is asking a question that is, sir, if I want to copy this line and this line, now I want to paste. So that is difficult with this option. So there is an option is also there. Options also there. So in a visual mode, maybe it is a possible like this. You have to select it. You have to select the line. Bye. Now paste like this. Okay. You can highlight it. You can highlight particular lines. Okay, so look at here. Line can add it. Visual. I'm selecting. Line can add it. Okay. Now I am going to where I want to go. Paste. But it is not highlighting one. Not only highlighting one. Also, it is taking the two lines. It's not good. Visual, highlight. You can highlight 4 lines I highlighted. Okay. Then yes, remove the visual one and P paste. So that's why I don't go that one. Okay, guys, this is the some options. Okay, yeah. In this PPT also in the starting there is a very good theory is also there. Okay, I think these are all completed. Why VA editor is hiding? Where is the VA editor? Yeah. Okay, I, small I, capital I A O O R W X D D Y Y W X. Yeah, YY kind of stuff is not there here. GG is also not there in this one. So compulsory you can go through my text only. Okay, guys. For saving, already we know this one. This is for a save, and you want to save and leave, save, and you want to do it again. So that is save. Quit also. Quit also. But sometimes you enter into the file, you are unable to quit. For example, you are enter into read only file. You are enter into read only file. So you cannot quit. You cannot quit. Okay, or you cannot save and quit. Both won't work. So what to do? Colon Q. Already. Only thing is put an exclamatory mark. It is override. It is override. Quit with a override. Quit with override kind of stuff. Okay. Sometimes there is a read only file, but you have a permission. It's a kind of read only file type, but still root or a user want to save the file, override the read only file. Okay. So WQ like this. This is 7 quit. We know that one. 7 quit with override. You can override the existing permissions. Override. Okay. So in which cases
Sir,
we
how
do this
we
one?
go the particular word of the line, sir?
Word of the line. After word of the line, you cannot go. I think so. If you are here, you have to use the cursor key, top and all kind of stuff. You have to use the cursor. You can use home button. You can use end button for like this. Here we can go it without go enter into the escape mode. We can press the home button, end button in your keyboard. Use your up arrow, down arrow buttons to go for a location. Even maybe word to word shifting may be there. So this is the one word I want to shift from this word to this word. Maybe there is an option is there, guys. Already I told no. Linux means a lot of options are there. Okay, it can be there. Like maybe tab is not working. Shift no. Yeah, W jumping from one word to another word. See, I'm pressing W. Have to go up. It's easy. Down like this. This is L. I'm pressing L. W. L. Okay, I'm pressing L. Okay, so try W and also it is just jump from one word to another word. Very good. This is how to learn Linux. First thing is you should get it out and try character to character, like character to character. This character to character jump. Okay, it's not line jumping. Yeah, yeah. Morning also, you guys ask the rename command. So how to get a rename command instead of MV? You searched it. Very good. And also you're asking like this. See, this is how to learn the Linux is. First you should get it out and try for that one. So then like that only we learn. Okay. Okay. So you enter into read-only file. Okay. You are enter into read-only file and edit it. Okay. And edit it. Now you want save and what to do? You have to use like this. Okay. Sometimes it won't agree. Sometimes it will agree also. So be careful while you are using this kind of stuff. So I will show you that quit kind of stuff. We can look at here. So this is a student file, right? So this is a student file. Student cannot enter into certain files. Cannot enter into certain files. ls space slash. It does not contain some files. Okay. Here it is showing some files. vm.log is there. So vi slash temp slash vm.log. Permission denied. It's not showing. No read permission, no write permissions on it. See, I cannot come out also. Even I put a quit. Yeah, quit is working. Sometimes quit is also won't work. You have to give compulsory. You should not open this, guys. You can see in the bottom, it is read-only file. It is read-only file. Now you want to come out, right? It's read-only file. You cannot change it, so you don't change it. You want to quit. Its quit is working. Usually, sometimes it will throw, even though you want to quit, you cannot quit it. So you have to override the permission. Okay. Now, whenever the situation come up, I can able to show you that. Okay. So this is about your VA editor, guys. Any doubts in the VA editor? First, compulsory practice at least 5-6 times about how to open the VA editor, how to edit the text in the VA editor, how to come out from the VA editor by saving and quitting. So this is compulsory. You should know it, guys. Then you can learn different type of options. And thing is not finished. Now I recollected. Not finished. Guys, look at here. This is a editor. This is editor. This is editors. Okay. So yeah, use editors. Editor. Okay, now it is editor. So better. Editor, editor, others are edited is there. What I want to do is I want to search where the editor is there. I put my cursor in the top, colon, slash, edit. See where the edit is word is there. There it is highlighted. Highlighted. Colon. No. Escape. Put the cursor in a third one. Put the cursor in the third one. Slash file. Yeah, it is showing. Very good. If it is showing, then it is very good. See where the file word is there, it is showing. Okay. This is how to search. Top to bottom, bottom to top, searching. So how to search in VA editor, that is very important now. So you want to search a word for editing purpose or the replacing purpose, first you know how to search. Colon slash your keyword. Okay, I use here slash file, I used it, and also I use slash what it is, edit. Okay, like this, just with the keyword. Guys, this is highlighted, I don't like it, so I want to remove these highlighters, put something backwards. Pattern not search found, and the highlighter is removed. Okay, once you are searched, but it is showing the highlight that things like you can edit is so many times it is repeated. Now you are want to do some work. Okay, so something work, yeah, it is still, it is showing like this only, nothing is changing, so only that highlighter is like that one. Or to remove the highlighter, search something which is the pattern should not be there, like that. Okay, so we'll get it. That's good. Okay, so this is search. What about replace? Replace. What about replace? Replace means I have a keyword. I want to my old word. I want to replace with a new word. Okay. I want to replace with a new word. Simply put a yes colon yes slash your old word and a new word. That's it. Okay. You want to give G in some places you have must give G. Sometimes you don't require also. Okay. So we'll see how it is works. Colon slash colon yes slash file slash directory dir. Just I want to replace where the file is there and I want to replace. But make sure that where is your cursor, guys. File is here and files is here. File is here and files is in the last. So I put a cursor at here. Okay, remember what I'm doing. Okay, pattern not found. File is there. Pattern not found. First one. Second, I took my cursor. I took my cursor. I took my cursor at this one. See, you can file one. I took the cursor into this line. Okay, in this line. Look at very carefully, guys. Slash file dir. Or put it data. Okay. Yes. Slash file slash data. So I want to replace the file word with the data. It is replaced. Replaced. But what about this one? It is not replaced. Meaning is this will replace the old word with a new word at that cursor. At that cursor only. Not replace entire file. So for that purpose, we use percentage s slash old word new word. Okay, like this. So here it is percentage s. Oh, sorry, escape. Yeah, the change is there. Okay. Now I want to change edit the percentage. Yes. Okay. First of all, where is the cursor? Yeah. Cursor is at this location, guys. In this line, edit word is also not there. Edit word is not there. Okay. So, but what will happen? We'll see. Last time we got an error. If the word is not there, it's throwing an error. If word is there, it is replacing in that line. That's it, right? But now it is, we see percentage yes. Old word, right? So that is first one is edit. I want to put it. New word is edit. With editor, instead of edit, I put not edit. Edit or create. I want to replace edit with the create. Where the edit is located, that will be changed to create. Okay, and it is search and replace type. Search and replace. Can you see? All edits become a create, except this edit. Except this edit. See, edit become create, create or, and this is edit. Why this edit is not changing? Oh, I saved it. It is very sad thing. Sorry. Okay, I want to reverse it. So yes, create to edit. Okay, now it is normal. Just tell me how to change. Like a file is here, files is here. File 1 is here, files are there here. I want to replace files with the data. Both the things. Okay. Now escape. My cursor is at here. Please tell me how to search and replace the file word with the data. Search and replace. Entire text will be search and replace. Percentage. Yes. Type the old word. Type the new word.
Data.
Data. Okay. Now is it changed? See, this is data 1 and the last also datas. Files datas like that. Okay. So it is changed. So this is how to search and fixing. So that is it is like a search. Search and replace. Search and replace the old one, and so it will replace word in entire file. In entire file, it search and replace the word. You want an example? I will give you. Like, do you remember Three Idiots movie? They replace the text, right? The when he the third one person, it is the fourth one. That is silencer. Want to give a speech. The speech note is search and replace with the different words, right? So that is a search and word. Search and replace. Okay, guys, are you okay with the VA editor or not? This is entirely VA editor. Satisfied with VA editor or not? It's 1:30.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good.